How to manage events invitations you've received on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage events invitations you've received on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and click this one here, click click here, and then you'll find here event invitations you've received, and here you can manage it easily. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.